I'm Pat Draves. I'm the 15th president of Monmouth College. Well, why Monmouth? That's an easy one. I have a deep passion for liberal arts. I have a deep passion for the mission of Monmouth, and fell in love with Monmouth 30 plus years ago when I started dating this guy, a Monmouth alum, Jeff Draves, who now is my husband, and fell in love with it, whether coming to homecoming or different events over the years. And then deepened that passion by coming back home to Monmouth and serving as a faculty member and really seeing for myself and being part of the team that lives the mission and deeply committed to students. So that is the primary reason. And then to think about the opportunity in the future for Monmouth and be part of the team and lead the team in that is a big opportunity for all of us working together for a place we love. Oh, I'm most excited about working with the faculty and the staff on planning the next years and living out that plan moving forward and doing it as a community together. And so coming back to that community as the president of the college, but also as a citizen, and then working with the community on things that we can do together to advance the college and Monmouth and the surrounding community. We are so looking forward to that. And of course, the Prime Youth Festival. There are special places that prepare students for very meaningful careers and for rich lives to go out and serve others and lead others. And Monmouth is one of those. And Monmouth graduates go out and do wonderful and great things. And so being part of that team is such an honor to be the next president.